A former Kentucky sheriff faces prison time after he's indicted on federal charges.
13 News reporter Lane Ball is live in Huntington with more from residents and the current sheriff on this new discovery. Lane, what can you tell us?
Rob Merrily, former Greenup County Sheriff Keith Cooper is facing charges including fraud and theft. Now, I spoke with county residents and some say they were shocked, while others say the news comes as no surprise. A former Greenup County, Kentucky sheriff is facing federal charges. A recently released indictment alleges that from 2013 to 2017, Keith Cooper fraudulently obtained over $50,000 in cash by making withdrawals and failing to deposit money into a bank account used for law enforcement funds. It goes on to say he directed deputies to buy ammunition that did not correspond to firearms issued to them for official purposes, then relocating multiple boxes of the ammunition to his home. The document also says Cooper unlawfully retained approximately 35,000 rounds of ammunition, which was purchased with approximately $30,000 in public funds. Cooper is also accused of using a vehicle and fuel purchased with county funds to take a variety of personal out-of-state trips. We spoke with those in the area while he assumed the duties of sheriff. Some, who prefer to remain anonymous, say there have been rumors for years of this kind of activity, and this is not surprising. However, there are others who had different reactions.
It's a surprise to me for sure. I mean, go and talk to a guy, he's friendly, and then next thing I know, I'm reading about him on the internet. You know, he's embezzled all this money and done all kinds of stuff, you know, with his power of sheriff that he shouldn't have been doing.
After Cooper's indictment, the current sheriff, Matt Smith, released this statement saying, "I promised I would put honesty and integrity as my top priorities. My office has cooperated with full transparency, working diligently with local, state, and federal agencies." Smith goes on to say the FBI has instructed their staff to not make any further comments on the matter. Many say they feel this case doesn't end with just Cooper. Some believe more than one party was involved in this alleged criminal activity.
If it is true, it seems like they might need to dig it a little deeper.
Cooper could face up to 20 years of imprisonment for mail fraud, 10 years of imprisonment for theft of public funds, and a maximum fine of $250,000 for each count. Cooper's court date has not been scheduled yet. Reporting in Huntington, Lane Ball, 13 News, working for you.